So hello guys, welcome back once again in the another video. So in this video we will implement that how we run the first JavaScript program. So for the JavaScript, first of all we need to install the Node.js. So open the terminal and type here node version. So actually Node is already installed in my system. So if you did not install Node in your system, so first of all you need to install the Node. So for the Node you just type here Node.js and simply you will go on the Node official website. So you will click here and just download Node.js LTS. So currently I am working on the Mac OS machine. So if you are working on the Windows and Linux, so Node.js support all these environments. So you can directly download here. So Node will be downloaded. But I already downloaded, so I am cancel here because I already installed the Node. So we need to add here, we just add here new folder JavaScript. And another thing, just open the Visual Studio Code, just click on the Explorer. So you will see here, open the folder and clone a repository. So we can directly open the folder here. So go to the desktop and just open JavaScript. And now this folder is open inside the Visual Studio Code editor. So currently we are using Visual Studio Code editor for running the JavaScript program. So you also need to install the Visual Studio Code editor. So if you want to use the Visual Studio Code as a editor, so next thing we need to add a new file. So we just add here test dot, so the extension is JS JavaScript. So this is the name of the file and you can directly type here and run your program of the JavaScript. Suppose I want to print anything, console.log, and here you can type your message. Just save it. Now you need to open the terminal, so you can just click here toggle panel and you will see the bottom side terminal will be open here. So for running this program you need to write here Node, because Node provide a environment for running a JavaScript program, and Node we can use in the backend and front end for JavaScript. Suppose you want to run any front end program, so you can use the JavaScript, and if you want to add any script for the backend, so you can also use the JavaScript. JavaScript is compatible for the backend and front end, both end. So you can type just here node test.js. So you need to add enter. So you will see a message here. So you can run JavaScript like this. But you can see here that here is not a directly button is showing here for running this program. So for running directly with the button, so you need to add a few extensions for this. So we go inside the extension tab, because we did not install any extension yet. So you can add here Code Runner. So Code Runner is a very popular extension for running JavaScript program. So you can also run with this C, C++ and other languages program. So approx 31 millions downloaded already on this extension. So we can just click on the install. So in the few seconds this extensions will be added in a Visual Studio Code. So now you can see here the button of the run code. So now you can directly click here and see the output like this. So many other extensions is also available. So according to requirement we will also add the other extensions. So I hope this video is very helpful for running the first JavaScript program. So if you are facing any problem in running the JavaScript program, so please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.